Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the engine air filter on a Honda Accord. Start by opening the hood and securing it with the prop rod, then remove the engine cover if present. Unscrew the clips or fasteners holding the air box and carefully lift the top housing. Slide out the old filter, inspect the box for debris, and vacuum if necessary before installing the new filter correctly. With the hood open, unclip or unscrew the airbox fasteners and lift the cover slowly to avoid scattering debris. Remove the old rectangular filter by pulling it straight out and examine it for heavy dust, leaves, or oil stains. If the airbox contains visible debris, use a small vacuum or a clean rag to remove it before placing the new filter. Keep fasteners in a safe spot for reassembly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for keeping you hydrated during maintenance, with a secure lid and easy one-handed sip, so you can focus on the job without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, tell a friend. Now let's get back to the video. Fit the new replacement filter into the airbox, ensuring the rubber edge seats fully against the housing to prevent unfiltered air entry. Lower the top portion of the air box carefully and secure every clip or screw so the housing is airtight. Reinstall any engine cover removed earlier and double-check that all tools are clear from the engine bay. Finally, start the car and listen for normal intake sounds to confirm a correct installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.